It's time to evolve your ideas in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where advanced biotechnology solutions for sustainable industrial production come to life in the hands of visionary scientists such as those at ACIES BIO, one of the fastest-growing biotechnology R&D companies in Europe that has been developing innovative products in biotech, food and feed, crop protection and pharmaceutical industries for more than 15 years. Today, ACIES BIO is dedicated to the development of precision fermentation solutions that are top of their class in terms of long-term sustainability and eco-efficiency.
We are currently focused on engineering microorganisms to develop innovative bioproducts and fermentation solutions that will enable the urgent transition to more sustainable ways of how we produce our food and materials. Our unique approach combines cutting-edge science from the fields of microbiology, synthetic biology, and microfluidics, and enables renewable feedstocks or even waste streams from different industries to be efficiently converted into bio-based, value-added products.
Its unique experience and expertise allow them to develop new concepts and quickly transfer them to an industrial scale. From a company of only 4 ambitious scientists to a world leader for strain and fermentation development in the natural product segment, ACIES BIO believes that precision fermentation will surpass conventional production methods in sustainability and innovation. With its intelligent services, such as the Smart Route platform, which streamlines development of precision fermentation solutions, ACIES BIO is producing eco-friendly technologies of the future. And by being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the pioneering Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Achieve maximum efficiency in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.